Hey everyone, in this quicktech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to add a custom signature line to your Gmail account. To get started, head to mail.google.com and log into your Gmail account. On the top right, next to your profile picture, select the settings or gear icon. If the quick settings menu appears, hit see all settings. This is where a lot of your Gmail customizations can be set. Make sure you're in the General tab and scroll down. Towards the bottom, you'll see the signature section. As of right now, I have no signatures set up, so I'll select Create New. Next, give your new signature a name and hit Create. Now you can enter in your information you'd like to have in your signature, like your name, title, and phone number. You can also customize your text here if you want, to make your name bold for instance, or change the color. You can also add a quick link to an external site like your website, or you can select Insert Image to insert your profile picture or company logo. When you're done, underneath you have a couple of more options. You can set your signature defaults for new emails or replied and forwarded emails. You can also have your signature appear before replied text in a reply email. When you're done, scroll all the way down to the bottom and hit Save Changes. Now when you create a new email, you'll see your default signature has been added. And that's how you add a custom signature line to your Gmail account. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quicktech how-to videos.